Hi everybody. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Roxanne, and this is At Home in Arizona. Come on along and chat with me. Good morning, everybody. This is Roxanne. I'm at home here in Arizona. It is super early in the morning. It's about 5:45 or so in the morning. What am I doing up so early on a Saturday? Well, I'll tell you. This weekend is the 10th annual Arizona Balloon Festival. I've never been to it. I didn't even know about it until just recently. I was kind of looking up balloon festivals. I knew they had one out in Lake Havasu where my mom used to live, but I didn't know they had one out here. Otherwise, I would have gone a couple years ago. But anyway, so I'm going down there this morning. The balloons should be starting to take off probably around 6:30 or so, weather permitting. And I don't see much wind, so hopefully that means that they will start taking off. So hopefully I can get some footage of that for you guys. All right, I'll be back. Take you on a little ride with me. See you soon. Okay, everybody, I made it in. That one's just getting blown up. These things are massive. Look at that. Oh, there's one already up in the air. There you go. Can you see it? That one over there from Alaska Airlines got a chili pepper on it. Oh, this one's getting ready to get bigger. Can you hear that fire blowing up the balloon there? There's one behind me here. Getting ready to blow that one up too. goes. It's going up. It's getting bigger. It's coming off the ground finally. The balloon part, not the basket. I don't see any of them ready to lift off just yet, except for that one that already took off. Look at this one. It's getting there. Okay, y'all, can you see that all in the background? Pretty cool. So this one's getting blown up, and I don't know if you can see that little string, rope, whatever, cable coming off of it. And there's this one guy right there holding on to it. One guy holding on to a cable. Amazing. Looks like these in the baskets here. You can feel that heat when it comes on. Green one over there. That one that was blowing up is so far only one took off. Yep, so far. Oh, really? I was looking in the wrong spot and that big Visa balloon took off. There it goes. I missed it. I was waiting for these other ones here to go up.
Yeah, we were just about to take off. Back to you in the studio. And
okay, from back here you can get a good view of the, I guess it's 5 remaining balloons. Apparently they're probably not going to let them go up. Not sure why. I asked the one lady whose son mans that yellow Fairlife one on the end there, and she said they're really confused because 2 of the balloons went up, but apparently those are ride balloons. Apparently people paid for the rides, so they may have a different liability or something like that, but I guess there's too much wind maybe for the rest of these go up. It's very mild wind, but I heard somebody mention that if it's more than 5 miles an hour, they won't let them go up sometimes. So seems kind of, I mean, really, when is there not at least 5 mile an hour winds? So I don't know, but I don't think that they're going to be going up. Cool thing about this is a whole little festival thing. So there's lots of different booths that will be opening up soon. Rides, you know, carnival type rides and other stuff, and food booths. They're supposed to have a band out here later on today, some stunt shows, I think, different things. And then tonight, they'll be doing lighting, the balloon lighting. So I'm going to try to come back tonight, depending on how my hubby's feeling. But I would really like to come back and see the balloons all lit up. I think that would be super cool. So I guess that's pretty much all I have for now, unless they decide to let them go up. I'm going to hang out for a little while longer, but otherwise I'll probably be back tonight. All right.